In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can grow your account. Not only in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, but in any social media platform. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk about algorithm, hashtag, uploading schedule. This is something that you can know by being the creator for a long time like me. It's completely different from other video where you can found in YouTube, I guess. Okay, first thing first, fix your content. Choose only one thing. If you are artist like me, then upload only art content. If you have other hobbies beside art, then upload in another account. The first impression is the main thing. When they first visit your page or account, let them think that you make only art. If they are interested in art, then force them to follow you in the first impression. For an example, let's think you make the new account and you started uploading whatever you like one day you uploaded the artwork, and the other day you started uploading the anime edit, and the next day you uploaded your own pics, video and whatever. But guess what? You get views every day by using the trend. But I'm not talking about getting views, I'm talking about growing account. The problem is that it don't really help to gain the followers, because the people who like your artwork is following you because they like your art content and they hope to see more artworks in the future. Then you started to upload the anime edits, then the anime editors started to follow you, but the followers who came by your artwork started to unfollow you because you started to upload the anime edit, and the same thing happens again and again. So what I want to say is, keep your account clean. Into the next step, became good, because everything is depend on that one thing, skill. I'm not saying to become pro. Whatever you do, people first judge you by your good or not, and it's the truth. If I was the beginner and I made the tutorial or advice giving video, the first you think is he is good or not. So your first priority is at least become good. Don't count how many artworks you make, count the day how much you improved. There are thousands of millions of artists who are trying their best to become good. All are in the marathon, all are improving slowly. So be good in your own pace. After knowing becoming good is the only option, let me tell you how to learn. So the next step is learn by watching. You know you don't get the tutorial of everything in the YouTube, but you want to learn how others are making video and that type of artwork. Then as you can know, every artist upload the artwork video making step by step. Take the video, watch the video repeating for at least third or fourth time, because at the first time your mind tried to figure out the video is good or not. When you know it's good, you want to learn how to make, then watch the second time, because in the second time you notice every details in that video, because at the first you only watch. So in the third time you figure out every small detail you missed. At the last fourth time you may notice some mistakes, or your mind try to figure out how they made. If you still don't get the clue, then watch the video again and again. So it's depend on you how bad you want to learn. If you don't believe me, then try it by watching again and again. Okay, the next is trend. This is the easiest way to attract people, just like doing a copy paste type. I'm not going to explain because all of you may already know, but I'm gonna say one thing, that in every single platform there are their own trend going on. Like in the Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, there are their own trend going on, or there are their own trending songs is being used. For an example, let's take this my own video which is trending that time in the TikTok. We've got over 3 million views because of the trend. I uploaded the same video in the 2 other platform also, but it's decent there. It's not like it goes viral every time using the trend. Sometimes it goes up and down, but it has a lot of chances to attract people. But listen, it only works for short videos, not for the long videos. Like for the YouTube, you need your own content or own ideas. So in the next step, give me the drum roll please. Be bored. When people get bored, they try to entertain themselves by watching reels, videos, playing games. It's not like they want to, but their body do itself, because it's became habits for everyone. So at the first we are going to do is destroy everything what is distracting you. The brain thinks all the time, but you're distracting it by playing games and watching reels. When you get bored, your inner voice became more loud, and yeah, it has both merits and demerits. The demerits is, you may already know, overthinking. The cause of the overthinking is thinking ourselves in a bad way. If you keep thinking about that, it became more and more. So accept everything. If you can fix that thing, then try to fix it. If you cannot fix that thing, then accept it. It's simple. Every time it came across your mind, then accept it. You overthink a lot because you're not accepting it, so accept it. And the merits is, if you are seriously thinking about doing something, then your brain only focus on that one thing. But it only gives you the hint or idea to what to make. It won't make it for you. You have to make it by yourself. Delete the games. Don't let them distract you. I was also the same. When I try to do something new, I always rush the process cause I have to play the games. So I uninstall the game cause I'm not aiming for becoming the gamer. After uninstalling the game, I became more bored. I got a lot of times, so I started doing a new things like I made the animation, it's new. I was bad at editing my videos, so I'm learning, it's new. I'm thinking about making more tutorial videos or content for YouTube, and I already think a lot, it's new. I wrote the script for this video. Everything is completely new for me. So in a simple way, what I want to say is, do not shut down your brain, let it think more. Into the next and the last step, always prepare for next. I don't care if you don't follow the previous steps, but always keep in the mind what I'm going to say. When I said always prepared for next, means don't think about the past. I know you spend a lot of times in making one artwork and clicking the photos of your art. At last you uploaded the artwork, then it won't get any views and likes at the first day. Then you wait another day thinking it might increase, and another day and another, but it won't. Then you started to lose confidence. So stop doing that. If you uploaded the video, it's over now. You can't do anything. Don't wait for nothing. Start working on the next project. Try to make better than previous one, cause even if your video goes viral, you have to make another one. Even if you got 0 views, still you have to make another one. There is no difference, so why stressing about? Even if you succeed or not, then you have to keep making another and another until you stop or give up. So always prepared for the next. Okay, the bonus part, upload whatever you like. Even if it cringe to others, bad for others, nothing interesting to others, upload. It's your account. Don't think about what others might say. Upload whatever you made. If you still afraid to upload what you created, then don't be creator. Delete your account. Bye.
I love all my lovers, but you only one for me. 愛しているけど近づきがたい。I've been hurting you so much, don't even know to be forgiven. あともう少しだから今